dear sir, madam, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the time you are watching my resume. My name is Franklin Atong. I am 32 years old. I am applying for the position of aircraft cleaner. I am hardworking, confident, communicative, proactive. Back in my country, Cameroon, I work in Atlantic Beach Hotel for 2 years as a cleaner. After then, I traveled in Dubai, where I am residing right now. I am having a skill of excellent skill in communication, hardworking, and having the ability to work in a team in order to meet up with the task placed. I will be grateful if you consider my resume as yours and take me to give my best to your organization.